And we are back. It's been a little bit longer than a week. I've been working a little bit too much, so I didn't have time to record a video, but I think we all saw this. I think we all saw the $100,000 Bitcoin. So, that's not the main point in this video, but I figured I'd just go over that. We got our personal reward this week of $36.37. We had it paid for with our GoMining tokens, so we had it reduced again. You can see from my start to my current payouts, this is when they were doing it daily, now it's weekly. My starting terahash was only 16, and now I'm up to 114. This is the 130s with that free miner that they gave for like this, but no one even uses it. But so for the personal rewards, it's at 0.000000124 Bitcoin. That equals out to about 12 cents. But we had a nice little 128x. So you know what that equals out to? Sorry, equals out to? That equals out to a nice little $15.43. If I'm not wrong. That pays for my next electricity fees. Yeah. My electricity fees, next payout, are going to be paid for simply with this. And we still have all these. If it'll load. I don't think it's going to load at the moment, but there's 128x, and somewhere down here there was another 16x. See if we go find it. Let's find it. There it is. Beautiful. Yeah, we'll scroll down. Look at all these. All those are about 12 cents each. You have the odd double ones. You got the 24 cents, maybe 25, depending how it equaled out to with the amount. Nice little 4x. Yeah. Pretty nice. So I'm expecting a payout next week of at least probably $50, maybe 60. If it's in the range of 60, that'd just be pretty insane. Pretty insane. But yeah, $100,000 Bitcoin. Pretty amazing.